I'm Rekha Pradeepan. I work with Indian Abacus, state franchisee of Indian Abacus. I'm the tutors trainer in this organization. Also, I teach students Abacus. In Indian Abacus, we train the students using the internationally patented new generation Abacus. This is a program for students of age 5 to 13 years. The medium of training is arithmetic. The students do the calculations using both their hands. This will help the students to enhance their observation, memory, accuracy, imagination, listening, speed, etc. In these 12 years of my experience, I recommend Abacus as a wonderful program for the children and a lifelong investment for the parents for the better future of the children. Also, I recommend Abacus as an excellent business opportunity for graduate ladies.